Hello everyone, this is day 3 of Teachers Day Challenge, an initiative by the PATSL at VIT Bhopal. Today we will be solving another LeetCode problem that that is named as valid palindrome. Let us first discuss what our problem description is to get a better understanding of our problem. In our problem, we are given a phase that is a palindrome. If, after converting all the uppercase letter into lowercase letters and removing all the non-alphanumeric characters, what are alphanumeric characters? That includes alphabets and our numbers. So a palindrome is basically a string that is read both forwards and backwards as the same. For example, race car. So R comes as the first digit as well as R comes at the last digit. So while we come to the middle from the start and from the end, we should get like the same letters or alphanumeric characters, we can say, for better understanding. Now let us see the lead code. Here it is given valid palindrome, problem number 125, tagged as easy in LeetCode. The companies that have asked are like Google or something like this, etc. So we have read the problem description. Let us see an example over here, which says there is an input S given, a man. So a man, A-M-A-N, read backward and forward as the same. Here we do not have to include the spaces in between. We have to like discard them, and anything other than alphanumeric character is like discarded. If a given string is palindrome, our program should return true, else it should return false. Now let us begin with our coding. First, let us take a variable string result, take it as empty. Now we will take a for each loop, and we will traverse in our s dot to char array. What will this do is it will traverse to our each character in our character array when a string is converted into a character array. Now we will check if c dot, sorry, if we have to take the character class, if character dot is digit c, means our uh, if our string means the string which is converted into character array, if it contains any digits or it contains any letter, suppose alphanumeric character, if it contains any digit or if it contains any letter that is C, that is in our character array C, we will add it to our string result. Okay, if any of our appearances in our character array contains a digit or contains a letter, we will add it into result. Okay. Now this is done. Now what we will do, we'll see the logic of how we will find whether the number at the forward and at the backward is same or not. We will use two pointer approach. Int I equal to 0, int j equal to result dot length minus 1. Now while I is less than equal to j, what we will do, we will check here. If here whether like the character at the front and the character at the back is same or not. So if result dot get at I is not equal to result dot get at the ending which is at j. So what basically two pointer does is rather than taking two for loops and traversing into like first taking suppose am first taking a as fixed and then traversing to am and checking whether like it is a palindrome or not, we will what we will do is we will divide it into half. We will start from the beginning and we will start from the ending as well. So if the digit at the starting and ending is same, it will increment and we will come to middle. So the time complexity reduces into half. That's why two pointer is useful here. If it does not like do, we will return false. Else what we will do? We will increment the I pointer and decrement the j pointer. Overall, after the while loop is finished, what we will do that our string is basically checked. So if it does not pass this case, that if the letters are basically same, we should return true. So this will also cover the case where our string is empty. So empty string is overall a palindrome because it does not contain any character at the first place. If it does not contain any character in the first place, if we read it the same forward and the backward, it will be same. So it is a palindrome overall. So I have completed my coding. Now let us check whether this passes our test cases or not. There is a little issue. Could be the problem here. It is showing wrong output. Yeah, so the problem here could be that we have asked in the problem that all the alphanumeric characters, like whether capital A or small a, should be read as same. So there is a little problem here. We should do what? Result equal to result dot to lowercase, or I think it is too lower. Let us check what is the string method. Yeah, it's too lowercase. So it's accepted our test result. Now let us submit it and check it. Uh, Passes all the test cases. So the complexity here, the time complexity here will be big of n because we are using a for loop here. We are traversing in each character in our character array. So the time complexity will be big of n. So we have finally completed our third problem, 27 July of the Teachers Day Challenge, a very great initiative by VIT Bhopal. Thankful to VIT Bhopal for providing me this opportunity to solve such great problems and learn how to solve the problem solving approach, to also record myself like I am in an interview to improve my interview and communication skill. Thank you. Let us meet at day 4.